The coronavirus pandemic has many businesses and even government agencies now scrambling for a way to digest all of the updates to keep their employees informed. And one company in particular is stepping up to help. Appian. Joining me now for a Cheddar exclusive is Matt Calkins. He is CEO of Appian. Matt, thank you so much for being with us.
Hey, it's my pleasure.
So first of all, fill us in. What exactly does Appian do?
Appian is like a platform for handling change with software, right? Every business, when they go through change, they need to change their processes, and Appian is the fastest way to do that. We make it easy to change your applications and your processes.
And how are you actually helping organizations? It seems as though your app is really fitted for any type of business and organization.
It really is. I think we're all off script right now. The last month has taken every business in the US off their script, and they're figuring out how to reach their ends and even what those ends should be. When we approached this crisis here at Appian, I figured we had three priorities. We need to keep our employees safe and help the community stay safe. We need to be as productive as possible under the circumstances, and we need to stay a community, by which I mean an organization that steps up in hard times instead of steps back. So we built an application on our own platform to handle those things. And we've been tracking the health of our employees and keeping ourselves safe with it, but we decided to also offer it to other businesses that might benefit from it.
So tell us about the new web and mobile application and how it actually responds and helps to, I guess, aggregate and organize details about every coronavirus incident.
That is correct. First, we ask employees to self-volunteer their own health status. They can log on as often as they want and update us. Where have they been? How are they feeling? Have they tested positive or negative? That sort of thing. We store this information in a HIPAA-compliant cloud that is designed to keep information exceptionally secure. And then at the management level, you can track the health and the productivity of your workforce by location, by individual, at any level, and then you can react accordingly. With more information, you can keep people safer. You can stop the spread, you can take adequate precautions. It's very important right now, especially for large organizations, to monitor the health of their own employees in order to cut short the spread of the virus.
And why did your company feel the need to step in this way?
Well, I'm just proud to be able to help. We've got a great team that stepped up, and they worked very hard to build an application that would do this. And I want to share it with anybody. Not only are we giving this application, it's totally free. You don't have to be an Appian user or have any Appian experience in order to use this application. You just call us on our hotline. We'll walk you through the setup. We'll customize the application because it's going to be unique for your business. This is not generic. It's going to be unique. And we'll walk you through the entire thing. We'll get it up and running. The interfaces are exceptionally simple. They run on any major mobile device or on the desktop. And within a couple of hours, literally just maybe 2 hours, you'll have this application up and running, and your entire business can start using it.
And what are you hearing from companies there on the ground? What do they need the most, especially at a time like this?
Well, I'll tell you, the initial reaction has been fantastic. You know, we only announced this yesterday, and already we've got 200 businesses that are using it, including some of the world's biggest organizations, some of the top financial services firms, biggest pharmaceutical companies, retail, transportation. This is being really widely adopted. And they're not all asking for the same thing. For example, they want more or less information about individual health status. They might want to have a community side to the application. Like, we really cared about that. That was important to me, to get volunteers who are willing to do little favors for other people and get requests for help. Like, I need a car, I need a ride, I need groceries, I need something like that. And then we would support each other through this crisis. That was an important part for Appian. It may or may not be an important part for other businesses, but we're offering it. It's free. It's part of the application. I think every business has to react uniquely to this crisis. There are certain things that everybody should do, like track the health of your employees. Be sure that if they're feeling ill, you sequester them, and we notify other people that they worked with recently. That's one of the first, most obvious things. I think every business wants that. But outside of the core, what a business wants may vary, and we're flexible. So we're going to make a custom application for each company based on a common framework.
All right, thank you so much, Matt Calkins, CEO of Appian. Great work. We appreciate your time.